Hey y'all, today I'm here with Ilaria and Marco and their dog Samba, and they're gonna give us a tour of their self-built van.
This is Citroen Jumper 2008. It took almost 1 year complete. The van is 6 meter length and 2 meter 80 high. So let's have a look outside. On the rooftop we have a box for extra storage and a solar panel, and here our bike hidden. Here all the storage. We have this one. Here inside is the water tank.
How big is it?
120 liter. We closed this one because of light and privacy, and we choose to change this because we don't want a window anymore.
Oh, you had their window when you closed?
Yeah. Last year we had another window. Here we have I don't know the name, for electricity. This is for to fill up water, and the boxes from the toilet. We added this window for the bathroom. This is Marco's invention. Yeah. When we cannot put anything outside, we can use this little thing to dry things. Little things. And then here we have the gas bottle. This. Voila. So when we cook, we have a little bit more space. And then you can also do this one. So when we move, it don't hurt. Between the two seats, we have Samba's home. So we have to close this to turn the other seat. Gira.
Not so difficult.
No.
Ma non lo usiamo mai.
What we don't use this side when we are in some place, because I use the sofa and Marco the seats. Here we have the storage for food and kitchen things. Here and here some photo of our friends. And our table. Last year Marco built a bigger one because it was too small, and now it's bigger. And we also have this one to make it longer, like this. And we keep it stored here. We also have a, oh wait, not easy, this that we use to go on the rooftop, and another storage with books here. And medicines, the PC, and camera. This is for the solar panel. Now it's charging, and we need okay. This it says battery okay. Simple. Our table, we can use it also outside. You have to take it off. Yeah, and we can use it by connected here. Under the sofa we also have the heater, and this is for starting and choose the temperature. And you can open this. Here comes the air. It's also hidden inside. And then we have the kitchen, magical kitchen. Woo! So you can use this to put things, and then usually this so I can cook, and to wash things, dishes ourselves. And we can use this to have the shower outside, and sometimes we use like this, or also the one we have in the bathroom outside the window. Here inside we have all the dishes,
Pots and pans.
yeah, and stoves.
Yeah, silverware.
Yeah, and also here other cups, glasses. Here another storage for food, pasta. Yeah, all the bottles and spices. And well, while moving, we take it this, and then you can do. This was from a microphone. So, and you can cook, yeah. And we have another little storage. Woo, the wind. We have some bags, little things, and the fridge. It works with the battery, but not good. With electricity or with the gas. And for us is sufficient, not too big, but it's enough.
And how big battery and solar panels do you have?
We have one solar panel and one battery, Marco, 100 ampere.
And the solar panel?
150 ampere for the solar panel.
And it's a lithium battery?
No, not a lithium battery.
Okay.
No.
Is it enough?
Yeah, for us it's
Okay.
enough. Yeah,
Okay.
For one day, and then you wait for the sun the next day.
Yeah.
But I think we never discharge completely
Okay.
the battery in one
Okay.
day. Also because we use the battery only for our phones
Yeah.
or the tablet.
With the fridge? Oh, it's on gas.
Yeah, only with the gas.
How big inverter do you have?
Quanto è grande l'inverter?
L'inverter è 1000 watt.
1 kilowatt.
Sì,
1
1
kilowatt. Yeah. But we use it really not much times because we don't have things to put on the electricity.
Yeah.
So we also have a gas detector for our safety and other safety. A little mirror. Marco slipped his way, and the other and I'm in, so I have to jump Marco in the morning.
Do you know the dimensions of that?
I think is 1 meter 70 for 1 meter and a half, maybe. Sì. 84 addirittura. No, ok. Marco says 1 meter 80 for 1 meter and a half. Yeah. And we have other storage for our things. So this is Marco's part and this is mine. These also with other things. And this one. And this. Yeah.
And how much did it cost to build this?
I don't know.
Approximately?
Quanto sarà costato costruire il tutto?
Sui 22.000 euro.
Anche con il van però?
Sì.
Ok, 22,000 complete. The
Together
price,
with the van.
yeah, together with the van and all the works inside.
But you did rebuild quite a lot.
Yeah, we had to because we started with a person who built the inside, but it was not good for us. So Marco had to change almost everything and rebuild it. And then we needed some help for electricity and for the water connections. So it's half our job and half from others. This is for the water to on and off the pump. And this is the controller for the engine battery. This is water level. Now it's almost finished. And this is the services battery.
And what water heater you have on gas?
Yes, is with we have under the bed and it works with the engine. When you are driving, it hits the water, or otherwise with the electricity when you are connected.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's why I took yesterday shower, because it was warm.
Yeah. So when we arrive, you take a shower. The boiler is 22 liters. we use it only for the body because of the dreadlocks. And when I need because Marco had not so so much hair. We choose to go in some camping so I can have a real good shower for my hair. And this is not only for light, but much more for to have for the temperature, a little bit warmer inside. Non è facile con il vento. We have a little window on the roof. We can open it and close this one if you don't want the light.
And the map, the plan next terrace?
Yeah, it was for dreams. When you go to sleep, you can dream about where we go now. Now we are here. Yeah. We decided not to have a real door for the bathroom because it takes too much space. So we have this one, and voila! We have a chemical toilet, but we don't use chemical products, so so natural. This was the window we had. The shower is also a storage for food. We built this in wood because when you sit here, you don't have to stay like this.
It's high toilet.
Yeah. And this is for the shower. We can separate the shower from the other space with this curtain. You don't wash everything inside. We can use it also outside from the window. So it's long. We are musicians. In Italy we have a band called Sista Ila and the Navigators. Now we are only Sista Ila and Papanuccio. And we try to play also when traveling. This song is called Make It Real and it's about dreams. Woke up and it was in my brain. Took a shower and it was the same. Out for a job with my friends at the club, buying fruits and some veg at the shop. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. Da, 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 da. Woke up and it was in my brain. Took a shower and it was the same. Then all came clear now. I can feel the fear. All I've got to do just make it real. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. I think I'm going insane. I can feel it in my veins. Make it real. 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 You've got to make it real. Make it real. You've got to make it real.